Hi, I'm Rajalakshmi. I'm from India. Before coming to the MCL, I worked in one of India's largest corporate law firms as a principal associate with their mergers and acquisitions practice. So for about 6 years, I worked with the firm in their mergers and acquisitions practice. And as a part of that, I did a fair amount of cross-border work as well. So when I applied to the MCL, I wanted a curated program for corporate law. That is why I was keen on doing the MCL as opposed to a general master's in law degree at another institution. I was also keen to come to the United Kingdom because Indian laws are fairly similar to the United Kingdom. So I felt that in terms of our legal systems, I would benefit from learning about UK law and take these lessons back home as well. So I was focused on coming to the UK. So the MCL sort of married two of my passions because I was in the UK, in the heart of Cambridge, and was a curated program for corporate law. To be honest, I've had a fantastic time doing the MCL because the course has been curated very rigorously. It is academic in nature, but it never shies away from the practical side of corporate law either. Throughout, while I got academic insights, I got the opportunity to interact with practitioners from London, with law firms from London. And that's not something that other courses in the country actually give you an opportunity to do. So I really enjoyed that because networking is a huge part of being a corporate lawyer, and even at the education stage, I was able to experience that through the MCL. The deals course in particular was excellent because I got to learn about 4 different practice areas, something I've never done in my undergrad, and something I frankly speaking, didn't do for 6 years while working either because I didn't experience financing or venture capital deals when I was working before, whereas I got to do that here. So even though I've worked for a long time, I still had something new to learn from the deal landscape in the United Kingdom, so that was great as well. Lastly, I particularly enjoyed the Law and Digital Economy course because I do not know technology. I'm not good at it at all. And the course was curated in such a way that it sort of took my fear away from it. And I can safely say that I know a little more about, tech law now than I did a year ago. So I've definitely benefited on a personal level from the MCL, and Cambridge is truly one of the prettiest places I have ever lived in. So that's just an added bonus. So when I came to the MCL, honestly, I came just to sort of pause and learn about the law without worrying about client expectations or deadlines. But I realized that I do like working in a corporate firm, in the corporate firm setup, and I would like to do that in the UK and maybe learn a little more about UK corporate law because earlier I only worked with Indian corporate laws. So after the MCL, I am going to be working with a UK-based corporate law firm, Herbert Smith and Freehills, as an associate in their private equity and mergers and acquisitions practice. As a part of that team, I will be working on UK-based mergers and acquisitions, as well as doing some amount of India and cross-border work.